worries all day out there. They're in the heat of it. And I tell you, they are doing a simply awesome job.
Marc Waddington, he's stoked. He got the tyres up a little far. I'm not sure if that's going to hurt his chances. The burnout was done, so I don't know how that works.
Nah, too hard to call, as they say in politics. So what we'll do is we'll let them do their stuff, and they'll send our crew out there to have a look around the place.
Hey guys, Saturday Summernats. I had a shot at trying to sneak my way through to the Masters in the Warbird. It was really going well. The engine was singing, everything was great. I got lucky, I missed the wall a couple of times, but we come back down. The car slowed down. I had a massive issue in the transmission. We had a big bang. We checked. There was, our legs were still on. Transmission grabbed. As soon as the transmission grabbed, we sat. Rubber come out of the engine. But I have one small issue with one angry man.
Is that your excuse? So you didn't hit the wall, but you blew a transmission.
Transmission locked my engine, so I've lost a transmission because I've lost an engine.
Bad luck. So engine, transmission, you didn't hit a wall, but engine, transmission's got to be a shoey.
Suppose I'd take that.
Hope you get some. Hope you get.
We're going on? Where are we doing? On the car, is that what we're
doing? Shoe off.
Left or right?
Right.
Yeah, you could use your left. So I'm down a transmission, I'm down an engine, and I shouldn't have had Barry Hall with me, should I? We'll see how we go. Hey.